2019 Honda CMX500 on a 19 plate, 1184 miles only, so barely run in. Had its first service done. It's got white wall tyres, as you can see, which suits it. Really does make it stand out. Custom style fuel tank. It's got a brushed metal effect on the side. Nice gloss black down the middle, and nice white knee pads there on the side. Lextek exhaust, just a silencer, so not overly loud. Just gives it a sort of custom style look to it. Backrest and rack. As I say, it's not been very far, so very nice condition all round. ABS brakes. There you go, 1184. Typical Honda. Nice little growl to the exhaust. Notice it's got a little charging lead on there as well, Optimate lead, we'll leave that on as well. So there you have it, 2019 Honda CMX500, slightly custom style, shall we say, but I do think it suits the bike. So welcome to pop along to our showroom in Maidstone, Kent, and have a look. If you do need delivery, finance or any further details, maybe even a part exchange price for your old bike, by all means pop in and see us or give us a call. See you soon.